Listen to me very carefully. I have been showing up on YouTube and Instagram in the past 4 5 years every day, barely getting any views, and there's fear of embarrassment and all of that. But I still keep showing up, and I'm gonna keep showing up. You know why? Because I'm being honest. I'm becoming more and more honest person. Can you imagine going to meet a friend, and in front of that friend you always have to pretend like you are somebody who you are not? Then your body will always be nervous and always be panicking. But when you are being honest, an environment where you can be honest, you would just naturally want to show up because you are not hiding anything. You have nothing to lose. You are willing to say and speak your truth. It's like so powerful. My purpose of sharing this with you is because I want to inspire you to be more honest, and because it's the way, the strength it's gonna give you just being honest. Mahatma Gandhi, he's like practicing with that just speaking the truth, and I did not understand it when I first heard about it. But now when I am becoming more and more honest person, I wasn't like this before. My entire life was based on a lie, because I grew up in abusive home. Every time I have to interact with an adult, my auntie, my uncle, my cousins, my parents and all of that, I have to play a mind game. I have to say something or whatever. So, and since childhood I had to do that because it was a dysfunction. It was darkness, okay? So to navigate that in my personality, then you lose yourself. When you are not in a right environment, you become the worst version, so and then when I got into a healthier environment, I learned honesty, and it makes you unstoppable. It makes you unstoppable. Honesty makes you unstoppable. And when you are honest, people can really receive you for who you are, and you can feel loved. Because when you are pretending, even if someone likes you, it's a part of you. Our body knows where we are lying. Okay, our body knows where we are lying, and it can't heal. It can't truly accomplish its potential on on the basis of a lie. No, when you are honest, universe start to put you in front of right people, and people can really feel you. And some people can feel you and may reject you, but that's the only way can you also find true love, true success, true connection, when we are being open. And yes, there is the risk of letting some people go and being rejected by certain environments and all of that, but it's worth it. It's worth it being sharing your honest truth, honest feelings, and with the world. It's so worth it. Sharing your gifts and ideas so honestly, openly with the world, it's so generous. Today when God inspired me to wear this outfit, I was I was like, what if people are gonna say where is she's going dressed up like that and wearing or dressed up nicely and all of that. And I wanted to hide in my room, not wanting to take my dog out for a walk and all, but I'm gonna. But then I told myself, I reminded myself, it's very generous to share the gifts, the ideas, and the truth of our feelings with others. It's very generous. If you would like to book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me, link of that is in my bio and in my description if you're watching me on YouTube or Instagram. And if you want to, you can also donate for me and my dog. It will really help us both. It's just a loving suggestion and a request, no pressure. Also, I have my magic paintings available. Check them out in my bio or in my description. Anything else that I want to share? Yeah, do not to come in alignment with our honesty. Sometimes we have been disconnected from ourselves for far too long. Because we were in dysfunctional home or in a unhealthy environment, and we forget ourselves. Because we are just finding way to survive. So coming in alignment with our honesty and our truth, that's superpower. That is a process. It's a beautiful process, and it happens over time. So do not rush yourselves. But my painting, I am safe, I am supported. I'm gonna show here. this is gonna be medicine for you. Definitely. Fridge magnets of it is available. You can order it. I love you. I am here for you. And yeah. See you in another video.